Now we are going to discuss about Python strings. So let's start with another program. So new text document prg6.py and edit with IDLE. Import sys. In this program we are going to discuss about strings in Python. So first of all we are going to declare a variable called str value. The name of the variable is string value. You can also take underscore sign. Str underscore value equals to hello world. So this is our string. Print and value is str underscore value. Save and to execute our program, go to run module or use shortcut key F5. Here is our output, hello world. Next is very important. Basically we are going to learn string with print command, different variations of print. Like if I use print with str underscore value and square brackets, exactly subscript block, square brackets starting from the C language. These square brackets, hard square brackets, are known as subscript block, and we also aware that string itself an array. String is a part of array implementation, continuous memory allocation of similar or a different data or their types. So string is a collection of characters, that's why string itself an array. So here if I use 0, and you all aware that array always starts with 0, means from non-negative index number. So 0 starts with non-negative, that's why the first block of an array is always starts with 0. So str value, name of our variable str underscore value, and I have used 0. So save and run. Look at this, the 0th index number. Look at this, the first output is whole string, the string is hello world, then str underscore value with 0. Here 0 represents the first index number. Then if I use 1, so of course save, we are going to get the output E. So hello world, and the first index number is E. Then close this. Not exactly that you can use such type of feature inside the print command. You can use like str val equals to this one. This is the another variable str val only, and or maybe because we are going to use a single character value, the character val string, and now I am going to use print command to display this character value, and save with run. So the same output but in a different way. Here we have used another variable character value. Then next part, very interesting, next part where we can use substring value, again another variable. first variable is string val, next is character val, that's a substring, and I know you can easily analyze that what I'm going to do. Substring is a part of the string. Substring equals to, the main string is str underscore value square bracket from which index number you want to extract the data. H starts from 0, E is at 1, 2, 3 and 4. So I want ELL, means starting from the first index number, second and third, starting from the first index number to third index number. So I'm going to write 1 colon 3. 1 means starting index number, colon sign is a separator for the range, and the third is the last index number. Then use print command with substr underscore val and save. Then go to the run module and ENL, it means starting index number 2. I have given which index number? I have given 1 to 3. Oh, I'm sorry. So it basically extracts from the starting index number to the last index number, but 3 is not the last index number. Basically it extracts the middle one, means 1 and 2. This represents the range, this represents the characters starting from which position to which position. Again try this program. So ENL, it extracts ENL, this one. E represents on the first index number to third index number. So prints the characters starting from first index number to the third index number, 0, 1, 2 and 3. According to us it is up to the ELL. What about the 4? So save and run module ELL. So it means this particular index positioning basically represents up to, means starting from the first index number to the index -1. As you all aware about, the size of index is always size -1. So this is not the last index position up to the 4. Next one, if I use like this one, copy paste, if I use 1 only, not the last index position, so it prints from the first index position to the last, because I have not specified the last index position. So substring, again reinitialized it and save with run. So here it starts from first index position. Here it starts from the first index position, to the last, because I have not specified the range, the last index position in this particular case. Similarly, if you want to display string, means now I am going to discuss about the print status. So I am going to remove all these things. So not going to remove, just I am going to make this comment. The first string is of course required. So these ones I'm just going to make them comment. If I write print with str value asterisk 2, means I want to display the particular variable value how many times? Into 2, means 2 times. So I want to display the particular string in 2 times. Invalid syntax strval asterisk 2 print okay bracket and I think this one bracket into 2 save with run no non-type just maybe treating it as a numeric operation, a multiplication. So I think there's a syntax error. In spite of this, if I use this one variable asterisk 2 inside brackets, again save and run. So hello world and again hello world. So I have done a little mistake there. I have used initially I forget to use the brackets. Then the second mistake, I have closed this bracket before this asterisk sign, of course. So we have to use, if we want to display any particular value multiple times in a particular sequence, so you have to write asterisk 2. You can write asterisk 2 inside the bracket. What about if we write 5? Save with the run module. So of course 5 times. And the next is a concat sign. Like if we want to display, so print str value plus hello world and just comma python double quotes close bracket. So this is called the concat operator inside the print command. Save and run. So hello world, the first string, concat with another string, post static another string called python. So these are the different ways or subscript operations which we can use with strings in Python.